connecting a communication module ELPRO RBR is very easy. First of all, we need to plug in the power supply. As soon as power is available, the LED to the left will turn red. As a second step, we need to connect it to the internet. Hence, we plug in the Ethernet cable first to the communication module and then connect it with your modem, router or local network providing access to the internet. As soon as it is connected to the network, the LED on the left will turn yellow. As soon as a connection to ELPRO Cloud could be established, the LED on the left will turn green. This can take a couple of minutes depending on your local network settings. In case it shouldn't turn green, please contact your local IT representative or check elpro.cloud/support for further hints on how to configure the communication module ELPRO RBR.